In this week, the price has reached what was mentioned in the previous week analysis, and the price has closed to the 1.05825 price level, which was mentioned also as a target in the previous week analysis. Let's start from the beginning of the week, what has happened on the market, to see how the market has behaved. The first day, the market has formed this bearish pin bar, and this bearish pin bar has formed just right on the 1.03920, which is a weekly resistance area, and the price has returned back down. We can see it here, where the price has closed below the open price. This bearish pin bar suggested that there is a strong supply zone here above, in this area between 1.03920 and 1.05087, where the sellers are waiting and pushing the price down. We can see that in the previous attempt that the price could not break above, then in the previous week the price has broke a little slightly above this resistance level and then returning back down. After the bearish pin bar, the price returned down, testing 1.02669, a previous resistance which is now acting as a support, where we have a confluence of support with this daily horizontal support level and also this uptrend trend line which is acting now as a support. So also a strong bullish momentum which is pushing the price in the higher levels, and also we have here an area of bulls at the demand zone that is preventing the price from falling down. When the price has reached this level 1.03281, the price started to move up again, reaching 1.03920 as the next resistance again, before it was where the level was broken in the previous week, but then slightly returned the price down. And then after that we have again the price going down, touching close to 1.02669 and then reversing strongly back up. We can see that the price has on a Wednesday formed a strong bullish candle that has encompassed two bearish candles. We can see that I was started from Monday, this bearish pin bar, and also this small pin bar in the middle of this, between these two levels, support and resistance at 1.03920. The price has returned back up above 1.03920 at the level where the price was in the previous week. Then the price started again on a Thursday moving up with a strong bullish candle reaching 1.05087 as our next resistance level for the price. We can see that this 1.05087 resistance level is not so strong for the bulls like in the previous attempt. We can see when the price was moving to the upside from this level here, this daily resistance level did not act as a strong resistance for the price. In this attempt, which is the next second attempt, the price also did not have any problems reaching higher levels, where the price with the strong bullish candle has closed above. Then we have on a Friday slightly price returning back down, going here, testing this previous resistance now as a support area, and then continuing to move up, where the price has closed at 1.05407. We can see that the previous week analysis has mentioned 1.05825 as next target, and the price is close to this level. Let's see what has happened on a weekly and a monthly time frame. On a weekly time frame, I have mentioned that, just a minute, I need to activate this one. 0.5. Okay, this is okay, this is okay, okay, this is it. Just a minute. I have mentioned that this area around 1.054 is the area where the price will try to reach. We can see that previous weeks has this level as a level where the price has reached when moving up, and also there was a problem between bulls and bears at this level, so the price has stopped just at this level, and the next level is 1.05825. We can say that on a weekly time frame the bulls has managed to close above, which means the price is above this 1.03920 level, and we will see the price staying a little bit above this level. Then we have on a monthly time frame where we have a month end, and I have mentioned that the price will try to close above 1.03920, and if it close above this resistance area level, it will mean that the price will continue to move up. The first level where the price has stopped is between this level and this level, where the price had problems moving up and down, so this is the area where the price has stopped right now. Let's see what will happen in the next month, week and days. If we take a look on the monthly time frame, we can see that the price has managed with this strong bullish candle reach higher levels, and also the next level is above 1.07825. We can see that the price on a monthly time frame, when it was moving up, the price has stopped right here at 1.07286 and around this level. So we can expect that the price will try to reach this level, and then it will bounce down, reaching possibly here 1.05370, where it currently is. We have here a downtrend, the resistance line, so this also means that when the price reaches higher levels, it will be hard for the price to stay above and close the month at this level. So I'm suspecting that the price could make a strong wick to the upside and then return back down, and then after that try to attack again this trend line and try again to reach 1.07825. On a weekly time frame, we can see what's happening, and that is for the price, the current level where the price is, and also 1.05825 is the next level. If the price managed to close the week above, the next level will be here at 1.07286 and around 7825, which is a monthly resistance area where the supply zone is and where the sellers are waiting. That is the same level I have mentioned on the monthly time frame, where I'm expecting that the price will bounce down, reaching again 1.05825, and then we'll see where the price will go. On the bounce, if it happens, the possible way where the price will stop is around this level, 1.0558, so we will see will it reach. On a daily time frame for the next week and also for the next weeks, just a minute, the same level applies, but the first level is 1.05825. This is the next level. Then after that we can expect the price will bounce down slightly, maybe 1.05087, because we have similar scenario here where the prices reach this level and then bouncing back down, reversed to this level and then try to continue to move up. In the previous attempts for the price to reach higher levels, so we can see that the price has tried here 3 times. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third time to reach higher levels, but we need to have in mind that the price was in a downtrend and it was hard for the price to move to the upside. But now the price has shifted from the downtrend to the uptrend, and we can see that the price is forming higher levels, and then it will be much easier for the price to break this level and reach the next one, which is around this one level, 1.073, and then finally the monthly target, 1.07825. I'm telling you about this level because in the previous attempt, when the price was moving up above 1.05825, we can see this one move here, the price is stopped here at this level, which is 1.073. So we can expect the price to reach the same level in the next attempt after the breakout of above 1.05825. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.